Welcome to Bike Studio, the channel where we explore not only motorcycles and cars but also groundbreaking innovations in aviation and defense technology. Today, we're venturing into the skies to discover the 2026 F-47 NGAD, a next-generation fighter jet that is rewriting the rulebook on stealth, speed, and artificial intelligence. The birth of NGAD. The Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD, was created to ensure long-term aerial superiority in an age of rapidly advancing threats. While the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II remain formidable, the F-47 NGAD is designed to surpass them by integrating sixth-generation stealth, hypersonic propulsion, and AI-driven systems. This is not just a new aircraft, it's the centerpiece of a whole new way of conducting aerial warfare. Exterior design, a ghost in the sky. The F-47 NGAD's exterior design reflects stealth taken to the extreme. Its tailless, diamond-shaped body eliminates radar reflections from vertical surfaces, while its smooth, continuous curves scatter electromagnetic waves away from detection systems. The result is an aircraft that can slip past enemy radars almost unnoticed. Adding to this invisibility is its adaptive skin technology, a special coating that adjusts its appearance and electromagnetic signature. In bright skies, it reflects blue tones; against the ground, it shifts to muted grays or greens. At night, it becomes a dark phantom. This smart camouflage makes the NGAD virtually impossible to track visually or electronically. Even its air intakes and engine nozzles are buried deep into the fuselage, reducing heat signatures to defeat infrared tracking. Every inch of the exterior is engineered for survival in the world's most dangerous skies. Interior design, a futuristic cockpit. Inside the F-47 NGAD, the cockpit is less about controls and more about human-machine integration. Traditional switches and gauges are gone, replaced with augmented reality displays that project holographic data directly onto the pilot's field of vision. The cockpit is designed as a minimalist glass bubble, where panoramic digital overlays provide a complete 360-degree awareness of the battlefield. Pilots no longer scan multiple screens; instead, the AI assistant highlights threats, targets, and tactical options in real time. The seat itself integrates biometric monitoring systems, tracking the pilot's heart rate, oxygen levels, and stress levels. If needed, the AI can adjust workload, assist in decision-making, or even temporarily take over control to ensure mission success. Every element of the interior is designed for seamless interaction between human intuition and machine intelligence, making the F-47 as much a partner as a fighter. Engines and hypersonic speed. At the heart of the NGAD lies a next-generation adaptive cycle engine. Unlike traditional jet engines, this one can switch between efficiency and raw power modes. For long-range patrols, it sips fuel; in combat, it unleashes massive thrust capable of propelling the F-47 to Mach 5+ speeds. Despite such velocity, the engine's thermal masking technology reduces its infrared signature, keeping the jet stealthy even when operating at hypersonic levels. This combination of speed and stealth ensures the NGAD can outrun, outclimb, and outmaneuver any current aircraft. Weapons and combat systems. The modular weapons bay allows the F-47 to adapt to missions on the fly. It can carry advanced beyond-visual range missiles, directed energy weapons, and even hypersonic glide projectiles. Most revolutionary is its laser defense system, capable of intercepting incoming missiles at the speed of light. Alongside, the NGAD can deploy swarms of autonomous drones, acting as decoys, scouts, or attack platforms. This transforms one fighter into an entire aerial strike group. AI and loyal wingmen. Artificial intelligence is at the core of the F-47 NGAD. The onboard digital co-pilot handles systems management, electronic warfare, and threat detection, freeing the human pilot to focus on strategy. Even more impressive is the NGAD's ability to command loyal wingman drones. These autonomous aircraft act as force multipliers, extending the fighter's reach, gathering intelligence, and overwhelming enemy defenses. With one pilot in the cockpit, the NGAD can effectively operate as an entire squadron. Electronic warfare and sensors. The F-47 NGAD is a dominance platform, not just a fighter. Its multi-spectrum sensor suite allows it to see beyond radar, picking up signals across electromagnetic and infrared bands. The electronic warfare system can jam, deceive, or disable enemy radars and communications, creating an invisible corridor for Allied forces. It can even conduct offensive cyber operations mid-flight, hacking into enemy networks to neutralize threats before they engage. Global strategic impact. The introduction of the F-47 NGAD in 2026 marks a shift in the balance of power. Nations relying on fifth-generation aircraft will find themselves outclassed. The NGAD isn't just about air superiority, it's about technological dominance across multiple domains: air, space, and cyber. Military experts suggest that the F-47 will be the backbone of air combat strategies for decades, ensuring that Allied forces maintain a decisive edge in any future conflict. Conclusion: Bike Studio. The 2026 F-47 NGAD is more than an aircraft. It is a stealth ghost, a hypersonic predator, and an AI-driven command center in the sky. Its exterior stealth innovations and futuristic cockpit interior show us the next era of air combat has already arrived. Thank you for watching Bike Studio, where we explore the machines shaping the future of land, sea, and air. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of next-generation vehicles and technology.